Let's fill out the Nevada dirt bike bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading, write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you're selling a dirt bike and you need to get the paperwork right? Let's walk through exactly what this state requires, nice and simple. First, let's talk about the title. A bill of sale by itself is not enough to prove ownership for registration purposes. So you will need to include a certificate of title or other ownership documents, along with your bill of sale. If your dirt bike is a 2011 model or newer, the seller must provide the buyer with a paper title. Now, if there is any loan or lien on the bike, that must be fully paid off and released before you can legally sell it. Make sure that is taken care of before you move forward. When filling out the form, you will need to include the vehicle identification number, the year, the make, the model, and the body type. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.